Let's talk public transportation. In Manila, I have learned about jeepneys. So after World War II, the Americans left a lot of jeeps in the Philippines. And there's a saying, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. But what the Filipinos did, they got a lot of jeeps, so they made jeepneys. They made them into public transportations. So check it out. We're going? Let's go. So compared to other public transport systems that I've seen, it's very harmonious. People aren't pushing each other to get in, there's no fighting involved. Once you get in, everyone pays the driver, everybody knows the correct amount, everybody is very honest. There's a level of integrity there where it's like everyone always pays the driver the correct amount, right? If the jeepney is full, they would pass the money from stranger to stranger to the driver, and then if there's change that needs to be made, the driver is driving and he will make the change and pass it back from stranger to stranger until it gets to the right person. It's very fascinating to see that. I honestly wish we could have said the same thing about the JUTC system, because there could be 10 people boarding the bus and there's like 30 seats available. The 10 people still are push and a shove each other for God knows what reason. Why we can't do better? The JUTC system is a more developed system and it looks less primitive, but the behavior, we can do better. We should do better.